Now this is a time. One thing I want to say is this: you have to invite us in time. Okay. This type of you're supposed to invite us, special or send your delegate, one person or two, to come and inform us that you are coming here, so that we can create a space to you. So for that matter of part is that as far as we are concerned, we will support as far as we are one people. Ndi go jemba aya ofuma onye nwe mma na Anambra State do mma to today ndị governors ndị ọzọ na-elekwasị anya wee na-emegunu wee na-adịta na so anyị mara obodo ọfụma oge lụrụ nọ the other party last year, Labour Party. Many ndị nọ office today because of you from Labour. So na every party only na-eje anyị masịrị n'azụ. Everybody likes what I say. So I get to for you. And as far as this legacy program is concerned, I think when people more than almost nearly 1 million people here, or 800 people here, and with one voice, I let you go vote only guy. Only go guy na fly guy na so. So guy go guy. I have to go. Everyone else guy 100%. So no hindi. I don't know. What is the logo? What is the logo? I can't hear you. When we go to the polls on Saturday, who are we going to vote for? What is the logo? ADC. That is the basis for which we will lay
Hey, little. Guy, little now.
are very happy to vote for him because we really want a new Nigeria. And now this Amak area council election, we want ADC to be the chairman of MO, but Dr. Mo to be the chairman of the Amak because we really want a change. Based on from the past experience, we are tired of false promises and we want a change.
Tell me your name first.
Okay, my name is Comrade Stanley Ndubisi.
What do you think about the area council election? Your candidate?
The area council election that is coming on 21st of February 2026. My candidate is Dr. Moses Paul, popularly known as Dr. Mo. That is he's my candidate. He's my candidate, and I want him to win. And I believe he has already won. I believe he's already won because he's popularly accepted by the people. Everywhere he goes, people love him.
Nigeria rice and indomie, where is it? They never eat and fish it.